Imagine that you are a magnet. You're like a machine gun magnet. You're like, brrr, and you've got all this energy going out of you, and you're a freaking magnet. But you forgot you're a magnet, okay? And actually what you're doing is the magnet's polarity is flipped. And what's happening is you're actually blocking love from coming into your life. You're blocking it, okay? It could come in, but you block it. And the key to this is when you change these blocks and you let them go. And you realize why the blocks are there too. The reason those blocks are there is they were keeping you safe. You see, you think you want love. You think you want to attract a deep, intimate relationship. But it might be the unknown. It could be a little bit scary getting that intimate with someone. And what happens is you then say, what are these blocks that I have? And how can I get rid of them to then be a machine gun to love, a machine gun magnet to love, and have love come into you, or to love actually chases you. And I'm telling you, if you remove these blocks that I'm sharing with you in this video, they will completely transform your life, and you will find that love comes to you easier than ever. And it's been absolutely life-changing what I'm about to share with you. So let's get into it right now. Welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron, and I help people expand their consciousness. Now, I've made a lot of videos on attracting love, many of them. Some of my top viewed videos are on how to stop chasing love and have love chase you. Why do people want people to chase them? Doesn't it sound a little creepy? Isn't it a little creepy? If you're walking down the street and someone's just chasing you, you probably don't want that kind of love dynamic, okay? And if you find that you're chasing someone else, you probably also have a love block where you are projecting, or you're maybe pushing your energy onto them that then has them running away. Think about that. If you are chasing someone, they're gonna run away. Imagine you chasing a dog. It's like, I'm gonna get you. The dog just starts running or starts playing with you because it's playing on that energy dynamic. Well, in the same way, we all have these blocks to love that has other people in our life doing different energy dynamics depending on the energy we're putting out. So this video is about removing those blocks, okay? So my whole entire life has changed in this department of my life, in relationships and connecting to other people. And it all started back in 1980. I'm just kidding. It did though. It started when I was a kid, and there was certain childhood wounding there that then had me believing certain things about myself to where then I would, in a way, not be authentic, or I would think that I had to change myself to receive love, okay? So here's the number one block, by the way, to attracting love, and the number one block that literally blocks love from coming in your life. You ready for it? If you're ready for it, can you guys push the like button below? If I see enough like buttons, then I'll keep doing the video. I'm just kidding. So, that's a form of also looking for validation. I mean, we do it for the YouTube algorithm, and it helps us feel, like it helps the video get out there. But in actuality, do we need likes to feel validated? That's like needing your crush to like your photo for you to feel worthy. Do you ever get like a rush of energy when that happens? Well, it's an outside source that you're looking for approval from that probably stems from some childhood trauma where maybe one of your parents wasn't giving you the attention that you wanted. And you thought, well, maybe if I changed myself, maybe if I was a certain way, then I'd finally be good enough and I'd get their attention or love. So now we're looking through Instagram comments or Instagram messages like, where's the like from my crush? Oh my God, they still haven't liked it yet. That's how we think. And it stems from childhood trauma. So the biggest block we have with attracting love is this. We have shame around love. Shame means there's something wrong with our identity. If we believe that we are unworthy, we will attract people that reflect back our own unworthiness back to us. Maybe they can't treat us right. Maybe we stay in abusive relationships longer than we need to be. And part of the reason is we think there's something wrong with me. There's something broken with me. And if I could fix my partner, I could fix myself. If I could fix my partner, then I could get them to actually love me. You want to know where this stems from? Childhood. That's where it really stems from. I realized recently that in some of my past love dynamics, I was attracting people that I felt like I had to fix. And it was very clear to me that this was a similar dynamic from when I was a kid, because when I was a kid, I had my parents going through their own stuff, And from them going through their own stuff, there was a feeling that I had where I felt alone or I felt like my needs weren't getting met. So I thought there was something wrong with me. You see, we're little narcissists when we're kids. Everything revolves around us. And what happens is if our parents divorce, it's because of us. We're not worthy and whole and complete. We're broken. If our parents aren't giving us the attention we want, it's because we're not good enough. That's what we make decisions of when we're a kid. That's the block that has it so that love literally can't come into our life. Now, here's the key. Are you guys ready for the secret? If you're ready for the secret, can you like the video below? And I'll do more of this video. I'm just kidding. Again, you see? Repetition. So that's the key to this, is realizing that what your mama or your dada wasn't giving you as a kid had nothing to do with you. Had nothing to do with you. It was their own stuff. It wasn't because you weren't worthy. They did not divorce because you were such a crazy kid. They divorced because they got their own shit going on. They couldn't figure it out. And probably their parents may have gone through the same stuff. They just seem to trickle this stuff down until we take it, we claim it, and we let it go. And that's the key to this. Now, if your boyfriend or girlfriend that you broke up with finds someone new, it doesn't mean you ain't worthy. It means maybe they're going to find someone else that continues their own childhood pattern dynamics. And they're good, but it has nothing to do with you being worthy or not. You see what I mean? Shame is the biggest cock block. It's a cock block. Shame is a cock block to love. Here's the difference between shame and guilt. Guilt is, I'm a good person, but I did something wrong. It's action-based. Shame is, there's something wrong with me. I am not worthy. Now, shame and I am broken comes from childhood. Many of us have these beliefs that we're not worthy, we're not good enough, and that's what blocks love in our life. Think about it. If you attract narcissists in your life or people that take advantage of you, why is that? Well, because you tolerate that shit. You tolerate it. No one else that's securely centered in themselves would tolerate somebody that's taken advantage of them. But you may have that codependent tendency because of the childhood pattern where you were looking for external validation, looking for the external, validation really, sense of significance, attention and love, instead of realizing it within yourself, bringing the frame back in here, inside the body. And then say, what do I want? How can I be more vulnerable? How can I, the key to, by the way, the cure to shame is vulnerability. It's also realizing, for me, it was realizing that my mom's stuff, my dad's stuff had nothing to do with me. My ex's stuff had nothing to do with me. I mean, my responsibility was taking my power back and stop allowing it, but it was not to internalize it as a part of my identity. As I started to do that, I realized that I had a higher sense of self-worth for myself. But then it was honestly sharing this. Vulnerability. Vulnerability brings the stuff in the dark, because if you're shameful of it, you don't want to share it, into the light, and guess what? Then what happens is it dissolves. When you share this stuff, it's crazy how much it transforms. So if you guys didn't know as well, you may have not known this, there is a 21-day magnetic love challenge that is going to start on July 1st to July 21st. And this magnetic love challenge is 21 days in a row of us wiring in a more magnetic us, releasing codependent patterns, releasing that of the attachment styles we have, whether we're anxious or avoidant, becoming more secure, understanding masculine and feminine energy dynamics and polarity within ourselves. If you find you're attracting feminine men or masculine women or whatever the dynamic is, then you can heal this energy and polarize this from the inside out. We're going to be doing a 21-day challenge for healing and removing love blocks and wiring in a more magnetic you, no matter your sexual orientation, no matter if you're in a relationship or not in a relationship. It's really about the relationship with the self. As you do that, you will become more magnetic, and you'll either deepen your relationship or you'll attract more love. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through 21 days. I'm going to be going live, helping you guys get these awesome results. This is a process where you then have some type of homework, maybe a vulnerability challenge, maybe different things you do that you then post in a high vibe tribe group, and that vulnerability helps you heal. There's also 2 bonuses that you guys get right now if you join. The 2 bonuses are, 1, my shadow work integration coach, who I have never shared before on any piece of social media. He'll be doing a live call with me and all of you on masculine and feminine energy dynamics and how to heal the childhood wounds. And then secondly, I'll be doing a bonus with my friend Matt, who is a dating and relationship coach expert. And we're going to be talking about attachment styles and how to become more secure. So if you guys want to join that at the best price you're ever going to see it, click the link in the top of the description box below. And it's going to be super exciting. to go through this. We've done the 21-day Raise Your Vibration Challenge, which has been 7,000 people have already gone through that. Crazy results. But on the 21-day Magnetic Love Challenge, this is new. I can't wait. I'm excited. July 1st. Check it out with the bonuses below. AaronDoughty.com/love. All right. So that's the biggest cock block to attracting love. It's understanding shame, that we believe that we're broken. And one of the biggest cures to this is vulnerability, is sharing yourself. Now think about it. Someone that's codependent, a nice guy, a people pleaser, they're afraid of expressing their true feelings. So they may like someone but pretend like they don't like them. Or somebody was asking me a question earlier on a live that I was doing and said, how do I pretend to not be so needy so that then they'll like me more and it'll prolong the it'll elongate the relationship? You don't do that. That's manipulation. You bring the awareness back into your body. You feel inside of your body and you feel safe there, and then you start realizing that you don't need the validation from outside sources. And when you do that, you can actually express how you feel. And as you do that, as you put yourself out there, maybe even to be rejected, but you're putting your authentic expression out there, you'll find that a lot of times that energy begins to dissolve, the anxiety begins to dissolve. So the key to removing the love blocks is becoming aware of what you believe about love too. Your beliefs are literally creating your reality. What are your beliefs about love? What are your beliefs about the kind of people you attract? What's your beliefs about masculine energy, feminine energy? What are your beliefs and your stories about your mom or your dad? These are powerfully affecting your relationships. And until you become aware of what those beliefs are, they will be on autopilot. I had a woman trying to control me for the first, after my dad divorced my ex-stepmom for 5 or 10 years, because that was a belief that I had. Women are trying to control me and I have to retain my freedom. And then after I healed that and I became aware of it, my whole life changed. I never longer had that. But I also had to realize, what are my beliefs about masculine energy? What are my beliefs about feminine energy? And I realized that when I was attracting emotionally unavailable people into my life, it was because I, at a certain level, was emotionally unavailable. Then as I started opening myself up and stopped being so judgmental to people I was dating, it was like all these opportunities started flying in to me. And the reason being is once you change your energy, you then allow new opportunities in. So if you guys want to join the 21-day Magnetic Love Challenge, click the link below. Join. The cheapest price you'll see it with those 2 bonuses at that link. We start July 1st to 21st. The videos will be recorded, put back in there so you can watch it afterwards as well. So even if you're not able to make the lives every day, it's okay. And I'm super excited for this. So if you're in, can you do me a favor? Comment below, say, I'm in. Just say that, I'm in. And let us know. Let me know what you're excited about for it as well. And other than that, hope to see you guys on the other side. As always, peace, much love, and namaste.